Hi there, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, September the 17th, 2020. The second Sudoku is a 2 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 1550. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers so you have an indication of the difficulty level. We have here 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 3 is 10, 13, plus 5 is 18, plus 3 is 21, plus 3 is 24, plus 2 is equal to 26. Alright, so this is correct, so let's get started. We see here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the first column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 7. In this big square we have a 2 and a 7, so no 2 and a 7 in these 2 boxes, so the 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 2 already in this big square, so no 2 there, so the 2 goes here and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in the first column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 8 is missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. And then how about the number? This row, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 1. We have a 3 and a 1 in this big square, so no 3 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes. The 3 and a 1, let me mark them. That means the other 2 boxes in this row should be the numbers 7 and 6. 7 and a 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Those 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 5 and 9. 5 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Let me see. How about the number? Yeah. Of course, 3 and a 1. We have already a 3 here in this big square, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 1. Alright. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then Yeah, we have a pair. Look, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. The same story with the 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, only two places for the 4 should be here or there. Together with the 5. 4 and the 5, let me mark them. It's a pair. It's a pair. That means 4 numbers left, 4 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these two boxes. There 3, no 3 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 1 is missing and the 6 is missing. Let me mark them for you because it's a pair in a big square. Alright. So, and now yes, we have a pair again. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 9. We see here an 8 and a 9, so no 8 and a 9 in these two boxes. Here also an 8 and a 9 in this column, so no 8 and a 9 in those two boxes. So the 8 and the 9 goes in these two boxes. We see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be there, and 8 goes there. That means the other 3 missing numbers are the 2 is missing. We see here 2, so no 2 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. The other two boxes in this big square are the numbers 6 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 1. 2 boxes left in this column. We have here the 4, 5, 1, 2. The 3 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and 1 box left in this column for the number 6. 6 is missing, yes. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 1 and 4. No, 4 we have 1 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 2 and 8. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Alright. 5, 8, and 9, yes, alright. We have here 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 6 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 5. The 5 should be here, so I cannot place the 5 there, so the 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Because here I need a 5. We have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or there. I need a 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 could be here or could be there. And the 8. 8, I need also an 8 in one of these 3 boxes. Alright, 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 8 and a 5. Let me mark them. I cannot fill this yet. 2 boxes left in this row. The row below, the 1 and the 7. 1 and a 7. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. These 3 numbers, the 2, the 3, and the 4. 2, 3, 4. We see here 3, 4. So no 3, 4. In this box, the 3, 4 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. Alright, and now 7 in the last column, 7 in that column, so the column between. Only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. How about the 2, 2 in this column? 2 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. How about the 3? 3 in this row. 3 in the third row, so the row between. The second row, the only 2 places, 3 places for the 3 should be here, here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 1 in this last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in the first row for the numbers 9 and 8. 9 and 8. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be there, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 8. Let me mark them. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be the 5. Then yeah, 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there, and I've eliminated the 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there, and I've eliminated the 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 4. 1 box left in this column for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be the 8. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be a 2. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third Sudoku. This will be a 3-star Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.